once again, welcome to DKSH Nutra Day. May this meaningful event, engaging and inspiring end of the day to all of us. We are especially honored to welcome our panel speakers. Later you'll have a chance to engage with them.
It is part of our commitment to sustainability, to innovation, and to help our customers across the country.
Delphinol is rich in antioxidants that protect cells and support collagen. This helps to maintain skin elasticity and firmness. By protecting the telomeres and counteracting microinflammation of the skin, it contributes to a naturally healthy and vivid appearance from within. The future is about personalization. So consumers look for natural, scientifically backed ingredients that address specific needs, such as maintaining skin elasticity and supporting bright and even skin. So Delphinol is well positioned to meet these expectations.
So Progo bioactive peptides are completely unique, coming from Norwegian Atlantic salmon. They are unique peptides which have targeted health benefits specifically for metabolic health. Firstly, they are a GLP-1 receptor agonist. And secondly, they are a myostatin inhibitor to help protect against muscle mass. We also have clinical trials demonstrating increases in energy. I believe that peptides are in the nascent stage of development and provide a safe, recognized way to boost nutrition with multiple dosage formats.
Nutra Day shows the latest innovations, and we help brands access science-backed ingredients like vitamin, collagen, peptides, antioxidants to meet consumer needs. Beauty from Within is all about supporting wellness and skin radiance, as well as longevity and holistic well-being. Vitamins, collagen, and antioxidants play a key role in nourishing the body and also helping the skin look fresh, firm, and radiant.
It's a chance to bring the whole industry together, share new ideas, and inspire local brands to create science-driven products. We don't just import ingredients, we guide partners on regulations, formulations, and market trends so product truly fits Malaysian consumers. Thank you for joining Nutra Days 2025. Let's shape future of food and beverages together with DKSH. Visit our DKSH Discover website and sign up.